Hi, today we are going to do a little math review. We're going to review number lines. Most of you remember that I gave you guys that long number line that you could write on and erase, and we practiced using number lines. It kind of looked like this page here that you can see on your recording on this video. So we're going to be reviewing number lines. So I'm going to walk you through it before you do it. And hopefully, you will be able to type the answer. You cannot write on it, but you can type on it. And if it's not letting you do anything, please just get a piece of scrap paper. Look at this number line here. See here down at the bottom? It says 0 all the way to 30. You can draw your own number line. Just make it look like this. You'll need a piece of paper, and you're probably going to take up the whole paper because the number lines are long. And write your numbers a little bit smaller so that you can fit 0 to 30, and you can make your own number line and do it that way, okay? But let's hope that you can type the answers on the paper, okay? So this page is, oops, there we go. This is our first page. And as you can see, I underlined add. This word is add. So this page is all about adding. So 6 plus 3 equals 9. So you always, no matter what you're doing, you need to look at this symbol before you can continue. Is it adding or is it subtracting? Okay, or maybe multiplying. When you get into third grade, it'll be multiplying, okay? So 6 plus 3 equals 9. So you can see here on this number line, they started at number 6. They put a dot. Remember, we did this before. You put a dot on number 6 and you go forward 3. You go towards the bigger numbers because when you're adding, you're going to make bigger numbers, okay? So put your dot on 6, and then you don't start counting till you get to the next number. So we're going to add 3. So here's our dot. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3. And our answer is 9. Do not start at 6 and go 1. No, you cannot add on until you go to the next number. So 1, 2, 3. Okay? So this has problems here. I know that you guys can answer these without even using the number line, but I want you to practice using the number line, okay? Because you're going to be doing a lot of stuff with number lines, with fractions and all kinds of things that you'll be doing in third and fourth grade. So you need to know the basics of how to use a number line now, okay? So this is for the answer. Here's the number line that you would work off of. Now, if you right click, that means if you have a mouse or if you have a laptop, just right click on it. Do you see this blue box? This means that you can write inside of it. You can, so this is the box so that you can write on it. So 7 plus 3. So what you can do is start at 7. And you could do, whoops, sorry. Let's see if it'll let me do it. Okay. Should be letting me do a 7 here. It should be letting me do an X here. But it's only letting me do it in the box. Okay, well, I'll figure this out and redo it. So if you cannot type on this part, you can only type on this part, then use your finger and start at 7 and then go 1, 2, 3. And it ends on 10. So 7 plus 3 is 10. You can use your finger if you are not able to like click on it and make a X or something, okay? So that's all adding. Then you go to the next slide and you can see that I have underlined subtract. And I have circled the symbol take away or subtraction symbol, okay? So this is 4 take away 2. Or 4 subtracting 2 equals 2. So again, you're going to start with the first number. Put your dot on 4. But now you're taking away. So when you take away, you're always going to get a smaller number. So you need to go towards the smaller numbers, okay? So you would go towards the left. So you have your dot on 4, and then you're going to count 2. You're going to go backwards 2. So remember, you don't start counting here. You start counting at the next number. So 1, 2. So you landed on 2. So 4 take away 2 equals 2. Or 4 subtracting 2 equals 2. Okay? Again, I put a blue box here. I'm going to fix this for you guys before you watch this, so it should be a little bit easier. But if you cannot type on this part and you can only type here, that's okay. Use your finger. Start with a 5 and go backwards. Remember, when you are subtracting, when you are taking away, you are taking away. So if you have 5 and I ask you to take away 2, then you're going to take away 2 and only have 3. So it's a smaller number, okay? So when you subtract or you take away, the number is going to be smaller. So you need to, on your number line, go towards the smaller numbers, like the 0, okay? Now those 2 pages should be really easy for you. This page is a little bit harder because we have bigger numbers, okay? The number line goes from 0 to 20, all right? So this is 3 plus 17. Now guess what? You don't have to start at 3 when you're adding. Remember, when you're adding, if I'm adding 1 plus 9, it equals 10. And if I flip those numbers, 9 plus 1, it still equals 10. And this only works when you're adding. So if you want to, when you're practicing your adding, start at the biggest number, because then you don't have to go count so far. Start at the biggest number, and this biggest number in here is 17. 17, remember 3 plus 17. These are called add-ins. These are the numbers that you're adding together. They're called add-ins. The answer is called the sum. So this add-in is 17. You're going to put your dot here or your finger here at 17, and you're going to go up 3. You're going to add 3 more. That means the number is going to get bigger. So we start at 17 and we don't start counting until we get to the next number. So we're on 17 and then we go 1, 2, 3. So we ended on 20. So our answer is 20, and you can type 20 in the box. Okay. And again, I'm sorry if it's not letting you type on this. Just try your best. And if it's not working, please use some scrap paper. And we are going to be sending you guys more paper home in the next packet, because I know you're using a lot of paper, a lot of scratch paper. Okay, so I hope that's good. I hope that's just a review. I hope this is easy for you. Try your best, and make sure when you're done, look for the turn in button and turn your assignments in, because I know some people are telling me that they are doing their work, but it doesn't say that they're doing their work. So you have to find the turn in button. Okay, just look around and you'll be able to find it. We're also going to be doing a video and walking you through what to do on those situations. Okay, how do you turn in your assignments and all that. So we'll be walking you through that through a video soon. Okay, so good luck on your number lines. I think number lines are a lot of fun. This should not take you that long, and enjoy. Have a good time. All right, we'll see you next time. Bye.